Hello everyone. Today let's discuss how to create commission plan from CRM in Odoo 14. We can create commission plan and assign those plans to customers depending upon their performance or partner level. So when a quotation is created for a product, we can add a referral partner and give commissions for them depending upon the rules defined in the commission plan assigned to them. So let's see how it is done. Let's open CRM module. Under configuration, we have some new menus, that is resellers, where we have partner level, partner activations and commission plans. So when you open partner level, you can create different partner levels. You can see level name. So we can add a level weight for that level, then sequence. Then we can set whether this level need to be activated or not. Then default commission plan can be assigned for this partner level. So for a particular partner level, we can add a commission plan. So what happens is that when a default commission plan is assigned to a partner level, whenever we assign this partner level to a particular customer, automatically that commission plan will be shown for the customer. So you can see for silver partner, a default commission plan is 10%. This is a commission plan. Then we have partner activations. You can create partner activations. Then commission plans. So here we have already created a commission plan with name 10%. So if you open this, you can see the name of the commission plan and purchase default product. So a default purchase default product can be set here. So here I've added a product that is commission. So this is a service product. Then we can add a set of rules for this commission plan. Here two rules are added. So for each rule, a product category will be there and a product. Then we can add a subscription template if necessary. We can add subscription template or price list. Then we can set a rate for this rule. So at how much rate commission is earned. Then there is another field that is to mention whether it need to be capped or not. So this places while we are checking capped, enabling this cap, then you can set a maximum commission. So it places a limit on the amount of compensation or rate earned. So if even if sale is done higher amount, commission rate will not be increased. So we can set a maximum commission amount here. Then we have customers. So suppose I'm selecting Assure Interior. And we have a tab partner assignment. Under that you can see under partner activations, we can set partner levels and commission plan can be set, then level weight activation and all. Here we can set the partner level. So if you select silver, you can see a commission plan which automatically came because we have set a default commission plan in silver. So in this way we have, I have added a partner level and commission plan for this Assure Interior. Then I'm creating a new quotation. One second. Yeah, you can check the rule. This is applied to product category. Okay. Now let's create a quotation. So let's add a customer here. Then you can see a field that is referrer. So a referrer partner can be added for this quotation. So let's select a partner here, Azure India. So automatically the commission plan which was assigned to that partner be shown here. Then let's add a product. Okay, I'm adding whiteboard pen. So you have seen this product was added inside the commission plan, and when you come, okay, when you came below here, you can see a referral commissioner 0.60. So this amount is calculated according to the rule set inside the commission plan. So after this, let's confirm this quotation. So after confirming quotation, let's create an invoice for this quotation. So let's create the payment, register the payment. And you can see amount 1.38. For this amount, we are creating the payment. So after registering the payment, when you come back to sale order, you can see a button to unlock. So let's unlock this quotation. After unlocking the quotation, sale order, let's go to purchase module. Here you will be able to see an RFQ generated for today for the partner, that is Azure India. When you open this, you can see some details like the product. So a commission product can be seen here, and the description for this, that is commission for the invoice, and you can see the customer name, record it, and the amount, total amount. Then here for the unit price, you'll be able to see the commission amount, that is 0.60. Then here you can see source invoice. So invoices that have generated commissions included in this order. So when you open this, you'll be able to see the commission that was created before here for the partner recorded, which was posted before. So the status can be seen. So from here itself, you can confirm the order. So here you'll be able to see the total amount including the tax. So this is how commission plan works in Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.